Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the email address linked to your Best Buy account using the Best Buy mobile app. This is very helpful if you want to update your contact information or switch to a new email for account notifications. First, open the Best Buy app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the profile icon. Next, click on Account Settings. Then, click on Email Address to begin the update process. After that, tap the Change option. Best Buy will send a verification code to your existing email. Copy that code and paste it in the app. Then click Continue to proceed. Next, enter your new email address. Confirm it by typing it again and enter your account password. Then, click Continue. Finally, Best Buy will send another verification code to your new email. Copy this code and paste it into the app, then click Continue to finalize the email change. Once complete, your account will now be linked to your new email address. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.